Hey everyone, okay, so today we're going to be talking about some amazing, great, fabulous, gorgeous products. So let's make a start. So the first product here, and this is the most glorious product. It is by Anastasia Beverly Hills and it is Brow Genius. I should actually probably take my glasses off. There we go, I can't see, but you can see my brows. Okay, so one of the things that getting older, at least for me, is that I'm noticing that my brows are getting a little bit more sparse and they are getting a little more wiry. Gorgeous. Now this is where Brow Genius comes into place. Now I've been using this for a couple of months now, and what I will do is, I'm not the best photographer in the world, which is, I know is going to sound quite shocking to a lot of you, but I'm really not. But I have taken some before and after photos, so you can have a look at those, and I'll post those in a bit when we talk about this product. Okay, so Brow Genius blends 6 rejuvenating ingredients into one very, very smart formula that basically works now and later to create a look you'll love with your brows. Okay, here's some fun facts. Safe for everyday use. Dries clear, no flakes, stiffness, or stickiness, which no one wants. It's for all skin types, it's vegan and cruelty-free, and recyclable packaging. Now, as far as the ingredients go, there is a peptide formulated with red clover extract, which basically helps to encourage the appearance of fuller looking brows, which we want. It also protects against breakage, which again, we want. Now, Korean red ginseng helps to thicken the appearance of the brows and just give the brow hair more kind of fullness. There's panthenol, which helps to smooth, soften, and tame those coarse, wiry textured kind of hairs that we get. I've got them. And there's also biotin, which helps to improve the hair texture and manageability. And one last thing, castor oil, which of course helps to protect and condition the brow hair. So here's how to use it. And it's important that you have no makeup or residue makeup on your brows before you apply the serum. Very important. So cleanse the area, cleanse the skin as you normally would, pat dry, and then apply the brow serum by gently swiping one side of the wand across your brow from the tip to the tail. Now it can be applied to the areas of exposed skin where you have sparseness or areas in general that have become thin or sparse over time. Now the brush is designed to coat the brow evenly and thinly, so more is not better. But definitely do use the brush to kind of spread it through thoroughly for a minute or two per brow. Now flip the other side of the wand and repeat across your other eyebrow. Very simple. Now just make sure that you catch all hairs to ensure that you have enough of the product. Now all you need to do is follow this routine twice daily, AM and PM. That's it. So let me show you the before and after photos, and I've got some close-ups as well. So my brows definitely appear fuller and they definitely look less sparse, which is exactly what I was going for with this product. Now again, I've been using this twice daily for a couple of months now, and I will be using this product indefinitely now because I am absolutely loving the results. It may sound a little bit silly, but my brows feel so soft. And brows are not something that I ever kind of thought about in those terms, but they feel soft and they look fuller. And I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. Brows are so important to the face. Even if you do no other makeup, say you just have some mascara on, the brows are the frame of the face. And that's why they are so important to your whole look. When you neglect the brows, you're neglecting the entire face. So your brows are very, very important. And this product is now a staple and will continue to be a staple indefinitely because I love, love, love the results that I've gotten. Okay, Drunk Elephant. And this is their body cleanser, which I don't actually use on the body. I'm quite content with it on the face. It smells like almonds. It is incredible. I've mentioned it before. You get 240 mils of product. A lot of product. It's going to last you a while. It really takes off everything. It smells, assuming you like kind of almondy marzipan smells. It smells amazing. It's non-irritating. Yes, you can use it on your body. But why would you when you can use it on your face? Okay, next up. Brazilian Crush, number 68. Now I actually like the entire range of fragrances, but 68 is great. After I've had a shower, The whole body is sprayed with this. I spray my clothes with it. It works well with the kind of fragrances that I like, which are those kind of gourmand fragrances. I like the chocolatey ones, the vanilla-y ones, the kind of biscuity ones. So these work great with that. You get a lot of product for your money, 240 mils in the larger size, just everywhere. And you just smell the amount of comments I get on how nice I smell when I'm wearing it, in conjunction with, of course, fragrance. Just, it's a great product. Okay, this is from Tarte, and this is Shape Tape. And this is, well, everybody knows what Shape Tape is. This is the jumbo size, and I got this from QVC here in the UK. I don't know if there's any other actual outlets in the UK for Tarte. Perhaps there is. I think you can order it from their website, but I'm not sure. But I got it from QVC. The jumbo size, it is great as a concealer. It's a really good concealer. I liked it all the way back when, what, 10 years ago? I like it today just as much, but I tend to use it as a foundation. It just works great. A couple of dabs on the face, a brush or a beauty blender, whatever your preference is, a sponge, who cares? It works so good, and it gives a really, really beautiful finish to the skin, which I love. It is excellent. And also for the makeup artists out there, you can get several of these, and they're smaller. They last an incredibly long time if you use them as a foundation because the pigment level is higher. It's all around great stuff. Depo. Now I mentioned their foundation, which is incredible, but I'd never tried any of their color products. So I tried the eyeshadow. Okay, so very expensive brand, but it's so pretty. The pigmentation level is on the light to medium side, and that is not a problem, particularly as we get older. It is much easier to build up and blend medium kind of intensities than it is to have this incredible overload of product that's hard to blend. Beautiful textures, gorgeous packaging. The whole thing is ridiculously shimmery and delicious. Oh, lovely. If you're looking for a kind of at-home exfoliant and you don't want to go down the route of the slightly more professional brands that you are able to purchase and use for yourself, Paula's Choice. Now, Paula's Choice one is very, very good. It's the 25% AHA, 2% BHA, and it's the exfoliant peel. Now, it's very similar to Drunk Elephant. You get 30 mils of product in here, but it is cheaper. However, Drunk Elephant, you do get more product in there. You do actually need quite a lot of product. Yes, it does make your skin feel much better afterwards. You are not going to see the same kind of results as those more professional peels, but you are going to see incredible results, particularly if you use it once or twice weekly and you're not going overboard with other stimulating ingredients at the same time, which can cause irritation. It's great. The color is lovely, a bit bizarre. It's slightly shimmery and bizarre, but it's very, very good. And your skin does feel very soft and delicious after use. So I definitely recommend it. So there you have it. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous products filled with joy. That's how I look at it. They're filled with joy. Let me put my glasses back on. Hello, there you are. Filled with joy. Such great products here. Brow Genius by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. And then you've got gorgeous scents and cleansers and concealers that I use as foundation, and just gorgeous things for your skin like exfoliants, and of course ridiculously expensive but oh so good eyeshadows. There you go. All the information on everything I've just spoken about is right there in the description bar, so it probably helps if you open it up and have a little gander. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really, really appreciate your time. I truly do. Thank you so much. See you all soon. Bye bye.